second graders. Hope you're having a good day. We are here with your new number talk for the day. I even have my little pal, my little guy over here. He might be making some noise in the background, but we're going to try to get through it without a problem. Right, Patch?
Yep.
All right. So here we go. Today's number talk. You guys are getting into some double-digit subtraction. So I thought we'd break it down a little bit and see if we can start managing some double-digit subtraction in little chunks here. So first of all, the first problem I want us to look at is just 47 minus 10. Okay, so as you think about it, again, go ahead and pause the video if you're needing some think time. Otherwise, Patrick will be ready to share with us what his strategy was today. Okay, he's ready to go.
So first I did 47 divided by, minus 7 equals 40.
Oh, okay.
And then that means there's 3 left, so 40 minus 3 is 7.
Okay.
Is 37.
Oh, very good. So he broke up his 10 into 7 and 3. First, he got to his next decade number, so 47 minus 7 gave him 40, and then he took away another 3 to get to 37. Another thing you might think of when you're subtracting 10, remember, just like counting back by tens, remember our tens are the only things that should be changing. So in 47, we know that the number bond for 47 is 40 and 7. So if I take away a 10, I should be left with 30, right? 40 minus 10 is going to leave me with 30. And again, my ones are not going to change. So that's just another opportunity to try and solve 47 minus 10. So now when we're looking at the next problem, 47 minus 16, let's think about how our strategy might change there. All right, again, think about, do you agree with the strategies you're seeing? Do you have a different strategy you can share with someone around you? We're trying to do this mentally. Yes.
So first, we know that 47 minus 10 is 37 already.
Okay.
And then 37 minus 6 is 31.
Okay. So again, Patrick broke up that 16. This time he broke it up into 10 and 6. He used his knowledge from the previous problem. 47 minus 10 equals 37, and then just subtracted 6 more. And I would say I would do a similar thing to Patrick there. So hope you guys are thinking through whether you agree or disagree or have a different strategy. But the answer to this problem, again, was the 37. The difference was 37, and down here the difference is 31. Have a great day.
So the number 23, we have a 2 in the tens place. So that 2 literally represents 2 tens, and we see it right over here. We have 2 groups of 10 blocks. This is a 10, and this is a 10. So this 2 literally represents 2 tens, 1 10 and 2 tens. Now this 3 is in the ones place, and it represents 3 ones. We see them right over here. 1, 2, 3 blocks. And of course, if you had 3 ones together with 2 tens, these 2 tens represent 20, and these 3 ones represent 3, so you get 23. So let's write that down. So we could write down that 23 is equal to 2 tens, 2 tens, plus 3 ones, plus 3 ones. Now what would happen if I added 20 to 23? Let me do that. So let's say, actually let me do something more interesting. Let's say we take 23, and to that we add 30. So let's add 30. 3, 0. So what is this going to be? Well, I start with 23, which I have represented here, and I'm going to add 30. 30 has 3 in the tens place, so it literally means I'm going to add 3 tens, and I'm going to add 0 ones. So let me add those 3 tens. So that's 1 10. This is 2 tens, and then that is 3 tens. So I've added 1, 2, and 3 tens here. So now, how many tens do I have? Well, I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And notice, 2 tens plus 3 tens is equal to 5 tens. So now I have 5 tens. And how many ones do I have? Well, I still have those 3 ones, and you could think of it this way. 3 ones plus 0 ones is still going to be 3 ones. 3 ones. So what's 23? What's 23 plus 30 going to be? Let me rewrite it. 23 plus 30 plus 30 is going to be equal to, well, 5 tens. We could just write that as a 5 in the tens place, represents 5 tens or 50, and then we're going to have 3 ones. Whoops, let me do that in the ones color, in that orange color, and 3 ones. So 23 plus 30 is 53. You have 2 tens plus 3 tens give you 5 tens. 3 ones plus 0 ones is equal to 3 ones.